2004 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop Roadster pickup. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, 36,665 is all on this one. Let's take a look at the front grille. Of course, the old school styling on these. But a more modern truck with a 5.3 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and you can see the paint shows well on this one. It's black. You may find a little imperfection here or there, maybe a little touch up, but I'm talking very minor. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels, Goodyear radials, of course running boards installed. Let's take a look down this passenger side. In the still pictures of the bed, you're going to see that this does have the teak floor strips. It also has the rear cargo storage containers for each side in the bed. Passenger side not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You can see the reflection in the paint. Black on black. Of course, leather bucket seats, center console, AM, FM, CD player. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little closer. We're also going to show you the top functioning, going up and down. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, dual exhaust exiting the rear. This one does have the rear wing installed on it. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Actually, Chevy trucks in general, you never know what you'll see come through here at uniqueclassiccars.com. Videos are uploaded daily to the YouTube channel. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in the videos are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor, and you can see up and down this driver's side mirror-like finish, and also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your monitored amenities with your power locks, power mirrors, power windows, Bose stereo system, power seat with memory over here on the driver's side, also heated. You can see as far as seat condition, not much wear in the bolster. Let's step back so you can see that a little bit better. Not much wear as far as the bolster and leather seating surfaces go. Let me pull out this temporary mat so we can see the flooring also. SSR floor mats. Flooring in nice shape. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center. And exact miles, 36,665. And you can see tachometer is working, the rest of the gauge is working. And then there's also a gauge cluster down below. Those gauges functioning properly. AM, FM, CD player also functioning. Of course, power top button here in your windows and locks, traction control. Top of the dash looks good. The interior of the roof also looks good. The slip around to the back so you can hear this run real quick. I've not noticed any modifications. Sounds like a stock SSR, just a nice deep little rumble coming out of that V8. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay, and I'm also going to show you the top retracting then, and we'll check out how that works and goes up and down. All right, appears hood struts have been installed on this one, which is nice because otherwise you'd have a prop rod right over on this side. So hood liner looking good. Does not appear this thing's been driven in inclement weather. Extremely clean. There it is. 5.3 liter. Is V8 power. Again, automatic with overdrive trans. Power steering, power windows. Excuse me. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. AC blows cold. And it does have power windows. Sounds good. Looks good underneath there. Nice and clean and tidy. All right, let me get the tripod set up. We're going to check out how this retractable hardtop works. And just like that, with the push of a button, that retractable hardtop up and down. Pretty cool 2004 Chevrolet SSR. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile truck. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2004 Chevrolet SSR. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. Black on black with an automatic transmission. Easy to drive. Some of the styling cues of a classic curvy fendered automobile, but all the modern amenities and ease of drive of a 2004. Very nice exhaust note on this truck. Our temperature is reading about 190. The fuel gauge is over 3/4 of a tank, and the oil pressure is over 40. Down below we have a battery gauge showing that it's charging over 14 volts. The stereo works well. Tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. Low mileage on this truck. The AC is blowing cold. Comfortable leather bucket seats in this truck. Smooth braking. Brakes don't pull to either side. It's nice and straight. Corners as you would expect for a modern truck. And the kick down working on that automatic transmission. What a fun truck to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this SSR at UniqueClassicCars.com.